My gloves on. Yo, he's flying! The guys are flying, bro. Your bike, Francisco? Oh, whoa, whoa! Hey, yo! Whoa! Relax, buddy. Your bike just pooped out a baby, bro. There you go. Third. Alright, YouTube, we got a special one. I convinced the Super Duke owner, Big Don, to let me swap with him. So we're gonna do a little swap video. You got my bike right here, you got his right here, and we're swapping. I got an R7. He has a 1290 Super Duke. I'll put the specs and everything. Probably some in the title, everything else in the comment below, so you know exactly what it is. Bro, this bike is so beautiful. Like, oh my god, I love it. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. This is Cisco right here. He's riding with us too. But this is what we're doing today. We're swapping. We're swapping bikes. You got my R7, the Super Duke. Oh my god, I'm in the Super Duke. YouTube, look what I'm on! I'm on a super naked Paul Super Duke! This thing is so fast, it's way faster than both of those bikes in front of me. Look at this. Holy shit! Oh my god! And then the pops? Yo! This bike is fucking crazy. Oh my god. This is gonna be my review and first ride of it. Oh my god. There's so much power in this throttle right here. I hope that YouTube hears that. Is it? Oh my god, bro. I hope that YouTube hears that. This is crazy, bro. Heard that downshift? fly off if you don't hold on. You're literally flying off. You're gonna fly off. I swear to God, you're gonna fly off if you don't hold on. Wow! Oh man, this is dangerous. Beautiful. Oh man, this bike is crazy. I love this bike right now. I don't know how to explain it, man. It has to be something to do with the wind and the power. Trust me, man, this bike got power. You fighting against the wind probably makes it even like more. So many buttons over here. You guys see that? Mine is like turn on, turn off lights. This thing is like, I think this is cruise control, left, right to touch the screen, and then it's remoteness, right? There's no key. This bike is insane so far, man. Makes me want to get one. Man, you can't get used to that. There's no way. Impossible. There's way too much power, man. There's no way. And then you mean to tell me leader bikes are like this too? Do not put me in one of those. Nah, I think it is. It might need to be darker for us to see it. I hear the pops though. Nah. It needs to be darker. Bro, oh my God, bro, this bike got so much power, man. I can feel it in the throttle like at all times. Look at this. 80. 122. Oh man, this bike is insane. Absolutely insane, bro. Oh my God! Woo! Wow! This is insane. Let's go! Oh my God! Oh my God! This is insane. I cannot get used to that. Wow! Holy shit! Just wow. That's what I gotta say. Just wow. That's it. Insane. comfortable. Like, I need to get like in a better sitting position, bro. Like, that's too much. Like, it's way too much. I don't know. I wouldn't say it's too much, but it's just so much fun. Too much fun is what it is. Oh my god. This is insane. It's like being a little kid again. A beast. All right, so this is where I'm gonna end it. Insane review, first ride in review. It's so fast, it feels like it wants to fling you off the bike. Like, you have to hold on, you have to find your sitting position, you have to figure it out quick. Because if not, so much power. 5, 4, 6 gear, does not matter. From first to 3, you're wheeling no matter what. But this bike is absolutely beautiful. Make sure I get a nice thumbnail with it too.